Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to be looking at calculating the standard deviation and mean and sample standard deviation of a small set of numbers using the Sharp calculators. Previous Sharp calculators have the same method of finding stuff, they just have a different look to them. So for this set we're going to be using these numbers, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So these are 5 numbers we're going to be using, these scores. First thing we need to do is change the mode of the calculator. Mode. We're going from normal to statistics. Press 1. For this one, we are going to be looking at standard deviation. Press 0. At this point, we enter in our scores. 11. M plus is the button to press now. Data set equals 1. This is telling me that I've entered one number into my data set. I need to continue until I have 5 numbers in my data set. So I just continue. You do not need to press equals at this point or anything else. Just continue to enter your numbers. Five numbers in my data set. The first thing I'm going to look at is my mean or average. In this case, if you look down to the buttons, you'll find above the 4, there is this, X dash. This is a symbol for mean. To access this, you can see that it is in a green colour, which is also denoted by the alpha button. So we press alpha 4. X dash equals 13. The next thing we're going to do is find the standard deviation. The standard deviation is a measure of the spread of the data from this mean. For this, we need to use the sigma x, or 6. Note, this is the standard deviation of the whole population, not the sample. Alpha 6 equals 1.41. Sx is the sample standard deviation, which is found in the same method. 1.58. When you've finished your calculations, don't forget to clear the calculator's memory, otherwise they will be stored for the next time you're doing this, and throw it off. If you are not sure if you already have numbers in it, above the 0 button you can see the n. If I press alpha 0 equals, that tells me I already have 5 numbers stored. To eliminate this, all I need to do is clear all. Second F, clear all. To check now, all I have to do is press alpha 0. That tells me I have 0 numbers stored in the calculator, so that way it's not going to muck up anything in future.